Hello, welcome to Varble Orthodontics. My name is Dr. Zac Varble, and Varble Orthodontics is my practice. I think something that's unique about our practice is kind of our emphasis on our culture. The culture in the practice is extremely important to us. We constantly work on improving it, and I think that out of the strive to have a better culture in our practice, I think kind of the fruits of that are kind of the treatment that we are able to provide for our patients. I think we're constantly trying to think about ways that we can kind of deliver the best care possible, but at the same time make it the most convenient for our patients, whether that's through digital technology or remote monitoring or self-lightening brackets or clear aligners, all the things that go into orthodontic treatment. Our goal is to provide busy parents with an easy solution to their orthodontic needs for their children, or busy adults, orthodontic options that are going to meet their goals. I think one of the most rewarding things about being an orthodontist and having this amazing orthodontic team is that we're focused on the technical aspect of getting teeth in the right spot and getting the best bite that we can possibly have. But I think we also have this person attached to the teeth that we're moving. And when we produce kind of the right tooth positions, what goes along with that is aesthetics. And I think that patients go from a certain point to an end point, and that change that goes along with that is just amazing. And I think that you see the patient's confidence grow, you see their personality change, and I think that's just such a magical part of orthodontics and being an orthodontist. So what this practice means to me, I think that some people have jobs and they go to their job and they go home, and that they kind of leave it there. I think that if I'm going to be good at this profession, it's got to be part of my life. It's something that I enjoy doing. It's basically my hobby. Some people play golf, some people do other activities. I work on my practice and work on becoming better at what we do, whether that's trying to think of ways to kind of create a better culture in my office, or if that's trying to think about a new technology to add to make our patient experience better. That's what I'm into. It's my practice and trying to be the best that I can possibly be. So I do like orthodontics, but that's the only thing I do. Outside of work, I have two kids. I have a 10-year-old and a 14-year-old, so I love spending time with them. They're very active. My daughter likes to ride horses, so we do a lot of that stuff, and my son likes to play football and baseball and lift weights and things, so he's always challenged me to lift weights with him, and I just have to show him how much stronger I am than him. I like to cook. That's kind of my passion, I think. Weekends are mostly spent just with the family, cooking around and then kind of just eating around the table and kind of enjoying each other. My wife and I like to watch movies and TV and stuff like that, like everybody else, but I think those are the main things that I enjoy. So why does the orthodontist you choose matter? I think that there's lots of choices. I mean, there are a lot of orthodontists that provide very good care to their patients. I think that one of the things I often tell my patients about when they're making the choice to do orthodontics, one is obviously to choose an orthodontist, because that's going to be the orthodontic specialist that's going to provide the best care. But I also think that you need to find a place that you're comfortable at. I mean, orthodontic treatment takes some time, whether it's 6 months or a 2-year plan. You're going to be having a relationship with that practice over the course of time, and that should be a comfortable one. And so not only should you move from point A to point B in your tooth movement journey, but you should also have an environment that's going to work with your lifestyle, but also kind of make you feel comfortable every time you visit the office. Hi, my name is Dr. Zac Varble of Varble Orthodontics. I cannot wait to meet you, introduce you to my team, discuss your treatment goals, and welcome you to the practice.